Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be number one YouTube host. Today, y'all are going to see something that you've never seen on the channel before. You're going to see me be quiet through an entire video, and y'all are going to see something that I think is revolutionary. It is a product that I found on Amazon. And when I first saw it, I questioned the price a little bit, but I thought to myself, if this thing does what it says it does, it is going to be revolutionary. It's going to make us do outdoor concerts differently. It's going to change the way we work. Craftsmen, people who work with their hands, especially people who work outside. It's going to change the way we fish. It's going to change the way we barbecue and entertain outside. So y'all check out this short video. I'm not going to do any talking through the video. There'll be a little bit of text, and this one is self-explanatory. At the end of the video, you'll see all the particulars, the Amazon, the price, the weight capacity, the entire 9 yards. This, to me, is going to be one of my favorite go-to tools. Y'all are going to see this probably in 50% of my videos, and I will leave a link to this product in the description. And if y'all do buy it, remember to buy it through my link, and it gives me a small contribution, and it helps me grow the channel. Y'all take care. Y'all enjoy this video. This is your boy's favorite new tool, his favorite new family member. Y'all enjoy the video. I'll see y'all at the end. Peace. All right, fam. Like I said, a little pricey, but you cannot beat something that will support 400 pounds that will fit in your glove box or the pocket of your vehicle. Not so much your pants pocket unless you're wearing cargo pants, but this thing, I cannot wait to do an outdoor concert or to invite a few people over for a barbecue where you don't have to pull out the big chairs. If somebody just passing through for 15, 20 minutes, you pull this thing out, you set it up, boom, put it back in the desk drawer. This thing will actually fit in your glove box of your vehicle, fit in the desk drawer. Revolutionary. And when this is over, said and done, oh, one thing I wanted to mention. I like this product so much that I'm considering reaching out to the company and trying to get a sponsorship. And y'all know I've never done that before. Even with the Big Easy Turkey Fryer, I probably sold 20 or 30 of those things. I've never reached out to the company. I'm gonna try to reach out to this company and to Big Easy this year and see can I get a sponsorship. So y'all wish your boy luck. That's how much I like this product. All right, fam, if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up as usual. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day, a great week, and a great 2021. Peace.